Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today's video we are going to talk about on how to create new workspace on Clickup. Maybe you want to create a new workspace on Clickup for another task. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create new workspace on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. So to create a new workspace on ClickUp, simply you need to tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. Once you tap it, there will be a side panel that appears. You can see here your workspace name, your home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. And here to create a new workspace, tap on this icon. And as you can see, you have two workspaces. In here to create a new workspace, tap on this create workspace. And as you can see, you can create your workspace. Give a name to your workspace, that's where all the works happen. Type in here your workspace name. For this example, I won't be changing that Kim's workspace. Tap on this create workspace if you're done. As you can see, Kim's workspace was created. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to create workspace on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can create workspace on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.